Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to test Skype audio. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Skype has this built-in test call features that allow you to ensure that your setup is in working order. To test your Skype audio, tap Open Skype application from your app list. Sign into your Skype if you are not signed in. Tap on the search button at the upper right and type in Echo 123. Tap on Echo or Sound Test Service from the search results. Now call Echo by tapping on the call button at the upper right corner in order to test the service. Follow the recorded instructions and Echo will prompt you to leave a message after the beep. After a few moments, a second beep will indicate the recording time is up and the message will be played back. To end the test, tap on the End Call button in red, and with this, your Skype audio test has ended. Now, while in the call, if you do not hear the recorded instructions, then that means there is a problem with your speakers. In case you did not hear the playback, it indicates a problem with your microphone. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.